Paja, we started.
Yeah, man. We are there.
Yeah, man.
Sanyang.
Live and direct in Sanyang, right at the moment. Here is the new road that will lead you to the new Port Authority of the Gambia, which is under construction right at the moment. So, right, King's Farm invite Nice Gambia for chill out right at the moment. Picnic just for the Toboski sales that they were doing, right? You know what I mean? So, right now, I'm moving with Mr. Salah, my driver, with the manager of King's Farm right now. So they are the one that gonna lead us. So we decided to show you the new development right now within between Sanyang, the central road, straight to the big side. Yeah. Pabaji, show them the digital and unique proper standard, street light right now, the solar street light right at the moment, right? And then everything is unique. So we love to see the Gambia fast growing, fast developing, across the group. So stay tuned with us. As we always say, with the base out of race, we're going to move further, Yeah, so right now, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, shout out to Pabaji, the cameraman, the digital and unique cameraman. And then Mr. Salah, Alaji Shala, my driver, the unique and international driver, that he's the one that, drive my subscribers. And then my visitors everywhere, anywhere. When they come to the Gambia, he's the one that take them all over the country from Carton to Koina. So right now, in case when coming to Gambia, you never been to Gambia or you don't have a driver, I'll drop his number in the video in case you want a fully driver that will pick you at the airport and then drive you all over the country. And he's a farmer. And he's a builder same way, Ide. Right, so they are the one that organize the chill out. So it's all about to show you the new
love of the Gambia, the love that we have and we want to share, with the people.
Yes, man.
This King's Farm, There is shout out and regards to all the fans and the loved ones, and all the Ummah of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yeah, and greeting to all friends and family.
Yeah.
All over the globe,
Yeah,
support us, love us, loved ones, and then all, everybody, Yeah, and then telling them, once again, this is King's Farm,
King's Farm.
Going out for a relaxation, because after the hectic work, with Lucky Child and the whole crew, so we decided to at least go and have at least some together,
and then share ideas,
and then share some little ideas, with the loved ones and the talks, because they say, after the hard work, you should at least have some time, leisure time, refreshment, relaxation, and all those kind of things.
Comfort mind, and
so it's necessary, Yeah, come in you have King's Farms,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Because at least younger, at wow. So
you see the mangoes?
Yeah. So after Toboski bitamet, then they buga at least wow, crew be team be wow. You congratulate everybody, for the hard work.
Yes, man.
One customer send appreciation of their support.
Wow.
Because
yeah, definitely.
So we cannot go behind each other. So we are together, and we cannot go without Lucky Child, we cannot go without Babaji, we cannot go without Alaji.
Yes, man. Yeah.
So it's like we carry each other to go, So, we have to support and love each other.
Each other, man. As one Gambia,
Yeah.
So what do you love about the new road construction right now? The street light, the greenness all over, the smooth driving. Because everybody wants to see their nation in a higher level, in progress. Say it again. And then, how are you seeing? How are you feeling the green
there's
the road?
A big progress, happening in the Gambia,
Yes.
But we have to help the government, with more progress, because they cannot do all this. Maybe they can do the roads.
Yeah.
But the rest we have to do it, like the green you are talking of,
Yeah.
The government cannot come and then do all this green for us.
Yes.
Okay, like this landowners should have even at least, you see, they have some cattle there.
Yeah.
Like we are doing at home, we have our rams and then we have some horse. We are even having camel, but died the last time. I think last.
Yeah,
last
you guys
2 years
having
back.
camels, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, and we are even planning to bring them back. But what I mean. We were testing, but
Yeah,
it's not
but still
easy,
not give up.
We don't give up.
Yes.
We don't relent, As far as our brothers we are with us, so we are ready to do anything, what I mean. Yeah, for the Gambia,
For Africa,
because it's our homeland. It's
Yes,
like our work and pray.
Yeah,
That's
man.
always live in unity, you know what I mean.
Freedom,
And
always.
peace in there, you see, there's nothing nice than peace.
Peace.
Gambia is a very peaceful and a cool country. You know what I mean? They call it the smiling coast.
It's the unique coast. I call it unique coast.
Unique coast. It's
Yeah,
it's
man.
unique.
Unique.
Smiling coast. You are the
Yeah.
smiling coast.
Mr. Salah.
Yo, man.
Yeah, man. You can tell us how, because you're the one that driving on the road, yeah?
Yeah,
And then the construction is unique,
Yeah.
wonderful. And then,
definitely.
we
the
love to
road-
see new structures in the Gambia,
Yeah,
yeah?
definitely. We the drivers are enjoying now the road.
The whole Gambia.
Yeah, the whole Gambia because the roads are coming now good.
Yeah,
So and when the roads are good,
yeah,
connection is very easy.
yes.
Yeah, and it is safety. For our cars also we have long duration.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Long
So,
duration, yeah.
So definitely it's very welcome.
Yes,
See that
man.
we are having good roads now.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and at least it's bit by bit. We cannot do it one day.
One day.
Yeah, but it's bit by bit, One day we will achieve it,
Yeah. So as you're driving, as a tour guide driving,
Yeah.
people all over the Gambia.
Yeah.
And then I know drivers were crying for road access.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So right now you have road connection all over the Gambia.
Yeah.
And then this one, what do you say about this other one from the Sanyang to the sea, where the new the port will be?
Yeah. Because you can see this road.
Yeah.
It's well standard road,
Yeah.
and it's a concrete road, Because
Yeah.
this place, the road, it is the way, you can have a best road for it.
Okay.
Because if not, here is too soft.
Yeah, the ground is
the
too
ground
soft.
is too soft.
Yeah.
So when the road is not hard,
Yeah.
it will not stay long. But
Definitely. Yeah.
now you could see, the way they built it is very lovely.
Very, very lovely.
Yeah, definitely, it's good. We appreciate it, And I know everyone who comes around will appreciate it too.
Yeah, finally.
Yes, love
What?
it, man. Definitely, man.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Look at that beautiful beach.
Which
Sanyang beach.
lovely,
Yeah.
smooth,
Kids swimming.
comfort, the chill,
Yeah. So it's a tourist industrial site, yeah?
Yeah.
So come up and then enjoy when come and call Alhaji.
Yeah,
And then also
After you come.
we go, huh?
yeah.
Yeah.
And
We go to the ends, yeah?
yeah, you could see
Yeah.
the development, around.
Yes,
So
man.
here is the road where
It will lead you to the
lead
port
to the
authority.
new port, Sanyang Port.
Yes.
Yeah. So at least it will ease the load, at Banjul Port.
Yes.
Now you could see that,
So this one is on West African port, not belongs to only Gambia.
Gambia, yeah.
It's
This one is,
globally Senegal,
globally,
Guinea, Mali,
Yeah.
Ghana, Cameroon.
Yeah.
So it is in the Gambia. That's why I said Gambia is the heart of Africa.
Africa, yeah.
This one is for mainland Africa, West
Yeah, yeah.
Africa.
That's it.
Yes. So we show you here is the end of it. Atala ko da bada balo bala straight up. So I come to ko poro ni nyanta lola janata, right? For West Africa right now. So stay tuned and focus with the eye of the Gambia lucky child. Kakutan lale mo yalang ko media tije mo so tan lale Gambia Bangkoka. So we should proud for what we are having, and then also proud of our leaders, and also proud of for you who you are, and then proud of for your nation, where you come from, and then proud to be a citizen of Africa, citizen of the Motherland, the Gambia. So shout out to my driver Alhaji Sanyang and the manager of King's Farm, Pabaji behind the camera. I am Lucky Child, the eye of the Gambia, the prince of Africa, the new poor of the Gambia, the new poor of West Africa, the new poor of the diasporas out there for them to have easy access to develop the motherland. So let's come back home. The Gambia will change this narrative. European want to take over, and politicians, we said no. Africans can build Africa. Black American, Black British join hands together to build and develop our motherland. Yes. What's your number? In
My
case.
number is 7858540.
785.
8540.
In case if somebody want to visit the Gambia, driving and going over all over the group.
Yes, you could just contact me with 785 8540.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my number.
The code number is
My
plus
code
220.
number is 00220.
Yes.
That's the code number for Gambia.
Yes.
And you, after for my code number,
Mhm.
you could just take my number in it, which is 785 8540.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the King's Farm number will be on the screen right now.
Yes.
So the mouth of the Atlantic Ocean right now, where they should set the Port Authority for West Africa. Saluto Alma, Jarama,
Bless.
Gambia and the diaspora.
One love,
One love.
Yes. Thank you, man.
Repatriate.
Yeah. That's the